so light. How light colored she is. Yeah, quick. No, it's right there. Look at that. Look how light this morning. Light, very, very light today, huh? Super light. Good girl. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. That, Sherry, that was a good one. You should have felt the weight of that. Wow. Wow, nice leap. What a nice leap. I got her. Yep. I got you, girl. Nice bass. Fat. Beautiful morning, folks. Beautiful morning. She's curling. It's a bass. Ooh. Got her? Get that rod up high, babe. Yeah, you got her. She's on. What is it? Pickerel. Small bass. Hey, that's a fish. All right. Hey, little girl. Hey. You want me to get it? Yeah, you got it. They're light today. Great. So much for a calico. That was a calico. She took it from the calico. Isn't that funny? Shine's right there. Oh, she literally threw the shiner back in the cooler. Isn't that funny? Number 4. There you go. She's gonna leap. Can you believe that? Leaped back into the boat. That was classic. Classic. Leaped back. Wrong way, girlie. Wrong way. Yeah, it doesn't feel big. Light today, very, very light. Come on. Small. Big Cali. Nope, small bass. Little dude. Little chubba. Little, well, I'll take it. Nah, small. Small bass. Little dude. Very light today, these fish. Usually they're dark, but they're very, very light today. Crazy. Oh! That was cool. What is that? Little bass. Go. Oh, look at the hook it went. Oh, she's got a hook. Oh, wow. Oh, let me get that hook out. Somebody cut the line. No, that ain't mine. That's somebody's. We're going to help her out. through her. Look at that. It's a worm hook. Look at that. Pretty wild, people. Well, looks like somebody either cut the hook. It's a worm hook. It's got the corkscrew for the worm. There's yellow hook's just right there. These fish are so light, man. There's something up with the water clarity today. It's weird. Yeah. Okay. Number 8.